What's up, fam? And in this episode, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a light that I just got. Everybody loves Amazon packages, so I'm going to be opening it for the first time with you guys. I'm going to show you what comes in the package, and we're going to do some uses with the light. So as you can see, this came from Amazon, right? We all love Amazon packages. I'm going to be opening it up just like you would. And my first thoughts, all right, well, it came in the sleeve. Nothing wrong with that. Let's see how the packaging is in the box. This is the Godox L120. It is a ring light. And let's see what comes in the box. There you go. There you go. Not bad. Couple of Silka packages. And of course, instructions, warranty card. Ooh, even comes with lens cleaner. That's kind of cool. Okay, so there's a little bit of protection. It's like my little pizza box. And that was cool. They used the cardboard for protection. Let's see, I wonder if this is an AC adapter. What is this? Phone holder. That's what came in this big old box, but I guess that's part of the packaging. So this looks like a fluorescent ring light. Hello, digging this. Can you guys see that? Godox L120. So I'm gonna put that aside. And how do we plug this thing in? Okay, so no AC adapter, but it comes with, let's see, USB on the end, so we can plug this into any USB charger. It has the controller right there, color, and also dimmer built in, so that's kind of cool. Get the wires off here. So we have a very long wire, which is very cool. Whoops. So I'm going to use this to record some of my videos. So we're going to see how bright this is. Thank goodness I have a tripod right here. So we're going to loosen that up. Okay, we got that solidly on there. Fits perfect. Hope you guys can see that. I'm going to put it at eye level. Okay, so we have that ready to go. USB, another phone clip, this. And we have a clamp. I don't know what that does. I'm going to figure that out. Let's see what else is in the box. Looks like some sort of extension. I'm going to figure these out and get these installed as well. Looks like that would go on there somehow. Finally figured out what this is. This is a cool little contraption that folds up nicely. This is actually, I believe, a desk stand. So watch, the legs come out and have this little W shape going on. And it comes with this bolt on this rod. And I'm pretty sure this is how it works. So does not come with a tripod stand. The tripod stand I had in the studio, I needed additional lighting in here, so this might work out really well. This will become like my desk lamp, because this is a desk stand that I just installed backwards. It has rubber feet on it, like foam feet, so that it doesn't scratch the surface and it doesn't slide around. So I was just going to use it on my tripod there, but now I have desk stand. There we go. And you can tilt this forward and backwards. And you can even raise it up a little bit. So let's give that a try. There we go. There you go. There is the Godox L120 to go with all my other Godox lights in the studio. I'm going to go and find a USB adapter, and then we're going to plug this in and see how the light looks. Alright, finally found a outlet. I have a power strip right here that has USB. I think it's like 2 amps, so hopefully this works. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. You can see there's power to it. And I'm going to be doing some product photography today. And, oh, let's turn it on. Let's see. You guys are going to be seeing this for the first time with me. I like the tabletop stand right there. And here we go. Let's see if it works. Ah, we have light. Check it out. So it has different modes, so we can dim it, we can make it brighter. Let's see if it has different colors. Oh yeah, look, we even can make it cool, and now we have warm lights. 3, 4, 5 right there in the middle, 6, 7, 8. So 8 modes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. So here's some of my other Godox products. I like my Godox X2T. That is my transceiver receiver action there. And when we get ready to shoot, I'm hoping to have enough light on my products. So let's see if, oh, doesn't look too bad at all. Here we go. Very nice. Dial it in. Cool. I also want to know if you're a vlogger or if you do makeup tutorials. This is an excellent light for that. It has 6 different color modes, so you can see difference in skin tone. So here's white. This is very cool. So here's one, if you guys can see the difference, hopefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold on, I want you to see my skin here, 6. So I hope you guys can get an idea. This is the Godox L120 light, even comes with a phone adapter. The surprise was actually the table stand. Works perfectly for my product shots, which I do a lot of here. Oh, that was the... So if you wanted to check that out right here, it lights up the shoes. Look, it actually highlights the shoes too. Watch. So you can get different colors on that. That is a very warm light. Look at that. 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. And that's my review of the Godox L120.